2025 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting years for the stock market. With AI breakthroughs, clean energy revolutions, and global economic shifts, investors are keeping their eyes open for the next big winners. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting your investment journey, knowing which companies are set to thrive could make all the difference in your portfolio. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the top 12 stocks to watch in 2025. These aren't random picks. They're based on strong fundamentals, industry trends, and future growth potential. So grab a notebook, stay tuned till the end, and let's uncover the stocks that could define 2025's market. Electric vehicles and AMP AI. Coming in is Tesla. While Tesla has faced competition and market volatility, it continues to dominate the EV sector with expanding global factories and innovations in autonomous driving. By 2025, analysts expect Tesla to launch its affordable EV model, making it a mass-market powerhouse. But Tesla is not just a car company, it's also heavily investing in AI, robotics, and clean energy storage solutions. With governments pushing for carbon neutrality, Tesla remains a long-term stock to watch. Stock 1. NVIDIA, NVDA. NVIDIA has been one of the biggest winners in the AI boom, and 2025 looks no different. Its GPUs are the backbone of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and even self-driving cars. With tech giants relying on NVIDIA's chips for AI development, demand is set to skyrocket. Plus, NVIDIA's expansion into data centers, cloud computing, and gaming keeps it diversified. For those betting on the AI revolution, NVIDIA is a stock you can't ignore. Stock 2. Apple, AAPL. Apple has been a steady giant for decades, and it's not slowing down in 2025. Beyond iPhones and Macs, Apple is investing in augmented reality, AI, and even electric vehicles. The upcoming Apple Vision Pro headset has the potential to transform how people interact with technology, pushing Apple deeper into mixed reality and digital ecosystems. With a massive cash reserve and global dominance, Apple remains a safe but powerful long-term play. Stock 3. Amazon, AMZN. Amazon isn't just an online shopping company, it's also a cloud powerhouse through Amazon Web Services, AWS. As businesses expand into AI-driven cloud platforms, AWS could see massive growth. In addition, Amazon's continued push into healthcare, robotics, and logistics automation makes it one of the most innovative companies on the planet. Investors looking for diversification in tech, retail, and AI should keep Amazon on their 2025 radar. Stock 4. Microsoft, MSFT. Microsoft has been quietly dominating the AI world with its partnership with OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT. Through Azure Cloud, Microsoft is deeply embedded in AI-powered services. Its Office 365 suite, gaming division, Xbox, and enterprise tools ensure recurring revenue streams. With AI now integrated across its ecosystem, Microsoft is positioning itself as one of the strongest long-term AI investments for 2025 and beyond. Stock 5. Alphabet, Google. Alphabet, Google's parent company, continues to be a leader in online advertising and search. But what makes it a stock to watch in 2025 is its massive push into artificial intelligence, self-driving technology through Waymo, and cloud computing. Google is also investing heavily in quantum computing and AI-powered tools like Gemini, positioning itself to compete with Microsoft in the AI space. With its diverse portfolio, Alphabet is a tech stock that's hard to bet against. Stock 11. Berkshire Hathaway, BRK, A, BRK, B. And finally, at number 12, we have Berkshire Hathaway, the legendary investment company run by Warren Buffett. Why Berkshire is still relevant in 2025. Berkshire owns a diverse portfolio: Apple, Coca-Cola, Bank of America, energy companies, insurance, and railroads, it's essentially a mini stock market in one company, offering built-in diversification. With over $150 billion in cash reserves, Berkshire is ready to make big moves during market downturns. Financials. The company generated more than $300 billion in revenue in 2023, making it one of the largest corporations on Earth. It has a long track record of steady growth and resilience. Risks. Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger are legendary investors, but succession planning is always a concern. As a conglomerate, Berkshire may grow slower compared to high-growth tech stocks. Why watch? For investors looking for a safe, diversified, and long-term holding, Berkshire Hathaway remains one of the smartest stocks to keep an eye on in 2025. Stock 12, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, TSM. At number 11, we have Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC. Why it matters in 2025? TSMC is the largest semiconductor foundry in the world, producing chips for Apple, Nvidia, AMD, and many others. Without TSMC, the global tech industry would grind to a halt. As AI, 5G, and advanced robotics grow, the demand for cutting-edge chips is expected to explode in 2025. Financials. In 2023, TSMC generated over $70 billion in revenue. It continues to invest billions into 3 nanometers and 2 nanometers chip technology, staying years ahead of most competitors. Risks. Geopolitical tensions between China and Taiwan pose a major risk. Heavy capital expenditures could strain margins in the short term. And there you have it, the top 12 stocks to watch in 2025. From AI giants like Nvidia and Microsoft to renewable energy leaders like NextEra, these companies represent some of the biggest opportunities in the market. Remember, this isn't financial advice, always do your own research before investing. And if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like this video, share and subscribe the channel. Stock 6, Meta Platforms, Meta. Meta has shifted its focus from social media dominance to the metaverse and AI innovation. Platforms like Facebook, Messenger, and WhatsApp still generate massive ad revenue, but the real story is its investment in VR and AR through the Meta Quest line. If the metaverse vision takes off in 2025, Meta could see explosive growth. Even if adoption is slow, its advertising and AI-driven recommendation systems keep it highly profitable. Stock 7, NextEra Energy, NE. Not all top stocks in 2025 are tech giants. NextEra Energy is the largest renewable energy company in the US, focusing on wind, solar, and battery storage. With governments worldwide pushing for green energy adoption, NextEra is well positioned to ride the renewable energy wave. Long-term investors looking for stable growth and dividends will find this stock attractive. Stock 8, Palantir Technologies, PLTR. And finally, our number 1 stock to watch in 2025 is Palantir. Specializing in big data analytics, Palantir provides governments and corporations with advanced AI-driven insights. With the rise of artificial intelligence, Palantir's platforms are being used in defense, finance, healthcare, and logistics. Its contracts with governments and enterprises give it a strong foundation for future growth. For investors looking to ride the AI and data wave, Palantir could be a breakout star in 2025. Stock 9, Pfizer, PFE. Healthcare stocks remain critical in 2025, and Pfizer is leading the way, beyond its COVID-19 vaccines. As global populations age, demand for healthcare will only grow, making Pfizer a strong stock to watch for defensive yet profitable growth. Stock 10, Shopify, Shop. Rounding out our list at number 13 is Shopify, the e-commerce platform powering over 1 million online stores worldwide. Why Shopify matters in 2025? E-commerce continues to grow, and Shopify gives small businesses and entrepreneurs the tools to compete globally. Shopify is expanding into AI-driven commerce tools, helping sellers create smarter marketing, manage inventory, and personalize customer experiences. Partnerships with major social media platforms make Shopify a go-to platform for direct-to-consumer sales. Financial snapshot. Shopify generated over $6 billion in revenue in 2023, with strong growth projected in the coming years. Its subscription-based model gives it a steady, predictable revenue stream. Risks. High competition from Amazon, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce. Dependence on small and medium-sized business health, which can be impacted by economic downturns. Why watch? Shopify is at the intersection of e-commerce and AI innovation, making it one of the most exciting growth stocks to watch in 2025.